You're about to witness a consequence for not anticipating on what the car is going to do in front of you.
Oh, shit.
Oh shoot.
Oh, fuck.
No, it's not a lot. It's just a bump. Why don't they pull over?
Damn. So you don't have.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Cannot move.
What is he doing?
I don't know. What is he doing? Oh.
Oh,
Oh gosh. Now there will be a traffic.
If your cars are not disabled after an accident, please move your cars to an area where it won't obstruct the flow of traffic. Both the Honda Pilot and the Toyota Tacoma obstructed the right turn slip lane. The Corolla and I have to use the straight only lane to go around the scene and to proceed on our way. Here is a replay scene of the accident. I'm on the right turn only lane that goes to a slip lane from Westlake Avenue west to Fingston Avenue north. The light is red, so traffic is required to stop on a red light and then proceed to turn right if it's safe to go, which means no oncoming cars. Pay attention to the white Honda Pilot to your right and the black Toyota Tacoma behind the white Honda Pilot. The white Honda Pilot is going to stop at a red light as required by law to look for oncoming cars. When it's clear to go, she will proceed. But since there's another car coming, she stops. Unfortunately for this black Toyota Tacoma, the white Honda Pilot was expected to continue forward. Therefore, the black Toyota Tacoma rear ends the white Honda Pilot in the process. Lesson learned: always anticipate on the car's actions in front of you and pay attention to the road. This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe for more thrilling content to come up. Thank you for watching this clip. Goodbye.